And here is chicken asado. Here's our recipe. Garlic chicken.
Wala nang naiwan sa ano mo?
Oh.
Yung sibuyas natin.
Chicken asado, chicken. Bell peppers, onion, red bell peppers, carrots, and green bell peppers. Tomato sauce, lemon, and olives, garlic. There's only one cooking for today, and the other reserves will be the other one over there. Saba, sweet plantain, saba, corn kernel, foodie, 3 for $1. This 3 only $1 in Jovis. Saves you money. And Tito Ray is the master cook.
Sino yan?
Hindi, binablog kita. Tito Ray is the master cook of chicken asado. Okay. We'll show you later the finished product. So for now, we will wait because it takes some time to cook this Filipino food specialty chicken asado of Tito Ray. So now this is the first step. First, the chicken is fried. Half fry ba dito? Partial fry. Partial fry. And then there's some more. And these are the ingredients. Oh, there's still some what is this leaves dito?
Bay leaves.
Bay leaves. And black pepper. This is a very sophisticated cuisine, guys. So once it's over, you will see how it looks. We will wait. So we're going back here again to the updates. As you can see now, the bell peppers, the onion had been chopped. A lot of recipe for this specialty. The chicken, what chicken breast we bought, right? Chicken breast or chicken thigh?
Right.
Chicken thighs only because we want a lot of meats. So first you have to partially fry the chicken, and now the carrots is also fried with the cooking oil. And in addition to that, we also have large pitted black olives, and we also have the Manzanilla Spanish olives, Goya, and this one is by Mario. And then oh, there is also a lemon.
Yeah, lemon.
The lemon is this one. Okay, this is the lemon where it was already squeezed. Then later on, tomato sauce, onion, garlic, bell peppers, black pepper. It's a complicated stuff. This is a very complicated Filipino cuisine, to be specific, but it's super delicious. It's one of the finest cuisine of the Filipino nation, chicken asado. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, let's get the update. The carrots was fried. The chicken now with the onion. And the tomato paste. That's a lot. So good. So good. Chicken that was partially fried now with back to the cooking pan with tomato paste and onion. The fried carrots are there. Another tomato paste too. Tomato sauce I'm talking about. Tomato sauce. And remember, we still have the lemon that's will be added there on the chicken asado. The fried carrots, bell peppers, the leaves, and the olives. So it's there it is. It's not over yet. And now we added the tomato paste. First it was the tomato sauce, and then the tomato paste right there. Tomato paste. Okay. So now all the ingredients are inside. There it is. With olives, green bell peppers, red bell peppers, bay leaves, carrots, tomato sauce, tomato paste. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Filipino chicken asado from the great state of Texas.
Kailangan kanin ko. Ayos na yan.
Okay na yan. Busog na tayo. Ayan, nasarap. Chicken asado. Sarap. Sarap talaga.
Hindi pa.
Ayos na. And a little bit of rice is good.